Hello, greetings to each and every one of you. I hope you guys are alive and kicking. Welcome again to this fantastic highway space, long-term passive income opportunity business presentation. This is an opportunity meant for very smart people just like yourself. And for the fact that you've been invited to take a look at this fantastic opportunity means you are one of those few smart people we are looking for. And we want to say we love you so much. And we are here dedicating our time, every other thing to serve your interest, to make sure you understand what we have here so you and your family can benefit from this fantastic opportunity. What is the goal of this call? This call is meant for very few people. It's not just for the general public, specific people just like you with a clearly defined goals. The goal is to help you and your family to tap into a lifetime passive income opportunity with the following huge benefits. Number one, when you take the needed action, you're going to experience regular cash flow, predictable and continuous monthly income that you can plan for. You have time freedom. You no longer trade your time for money. Instead, money works for you. You have quality family time, more moments with your loved ones, including longer vacations. You also have personal freedom to pursue equally other meaningful and important aspirations of your life. You have a better wealth and well-being, meaning you have the chance to experience improved well-being and healthier lifestyle. You also have the opportunity to design your own lifestyle, living your life on your own terms, and enjoying your dream lifestyle. That is the goal. I hope this aligns with your expectation. So what is it about? We are talking about highway space. Mosaic Highway is a fast cross-chain infrastructure designed for seamless arbitrage, liquidity flow, and asset transfers across multiple blockchains. It is carefully crafted with tested and proven strategies to be the most secure and truly decentralized bridge network in the world, empowering users, traders, and ecosystems to move value freely without compromising on speed, security, or sovereignty. This is a project that is structured to solve a huge market problem, which is transferring of assets between different blockchains is currently very slow, extremely expensive, and highly risky, meaning the existing bridges are often hacked. Why? They are not strong enough. They are centralized systems, not robust to stand the test of hacking. So when that happens, individuals lose money. We are talking in terms of billions of dollars being lost, belonging to customers. So there is the need for someone to step forward and solve this problem. This revolutionary movement has taken the responsibility to provide the solution through Mosaic Highway, that is building a decentralized highway that connects the largest blockchain network securely and efficiently, powered by thousands of independent participants, and automatically leverage price differences across markets to generate profits. The system is structured to monitor various exchanges and blockchains in real time, detect price differences, and execute transactions in a way that creates extra value or profit for users. In other words, arbitrage is built into the platform's core, giving your money, my money, the chance to constantly work for us without we having to lift up our finger, meaning we make money even when we are asleep. That is how incredible the system is designed to work for you and I. So how can you jump in? I always say action is what separates winners from losers. So all you need to do is to take the needed action to secure your position in this ecosystem. You will learn how any ordinary person without any technical experience can join this network, wisely invest through special packages, and unlock passive income from the growth and operation of this system. Highway Space is not a standalone blockchain. It is a strategic layer built on top of Mosaic chain, primarily to boost Mosaic chain's utility and global relevance, strengthen network security through demand, increase transaction volume and staking activity, and finally to expand Mosaic chain's role in cross-chain economy. This is coming to you through a company that has been in existence for over 4 years with an amazing results achieved within this period. And that company is Novalos Prime, being the marketing umbrella of all the projects that we are bringing to the market space. On the screen, you can see that in 3.5 years, we've been able to raise $37 million, enough money to carry out every single project we have planned to bring to the space. Globally, we currently have over 30,000 very smart and intelligent individuals who are very, very successful about what is happening. However, we're still looking for more smart people who understand the philosophy of blockchain technology, or those that are willing to learn about this technology and tap into this massive opportunity. We currently have 2,399 validators on our historic blockchain by name Mosaic Chain that is live since last year and giving out passive rewards to every validator holder. So a company that has proven it only brings top-tier projects with verified developer teams, and that is a Novalos Prime that is launching a completely new and revolutionary project, not with just one world-class team, but with two powerful, well-renowned blockchain, how do you call it, developers. The second one is Mosaic Chain, a block. We have some other projects put in place already. You have missed some of them, but some of them or one of them is something you can never afford to miss out. Our first project is by name Novalos Mosaic Alpha. It's a copy trade platform, fully operational since 2023, April, and it's been running flawlessly since that time, enabling individuals to make passive income even when they are asleep. The second one is Mosaic Chain, a blockchain optimized for DeFi. It was live and fully operational since October last year. The third one is decentralized launchpad, finished and waiting to go live. And the fourth one is Mosaic Horizon. Decentralized AI still under development. We are working assiduously to make sure this is completed as well and brought to the market space, starting in front of you that you can never run away from. Because if you do, I promise you will regret. The rest of your life is Mosaic Highway. And a brand new opportunity that comes to offer you, your friends and families, including your loved ones, a lifetime passive income opportunity where you will be making money for the rest of your life. And we can pass it on to your children when you are no more. That is what is starting in front of you. Are you sure this is not what you are looking for? Are you sure you don't want to make a passive income? You are the best person to answer that question to yourself, because we believe that you need. That is why we are here sharing this amazing opportunity with you. So Mosaic Chain is a globally recognized multi-award winning project that has received 6 powerful global awards in less than 4 years. The first was given to the company. The most promising blockchain technology of the year was given to the CEO. And then Attila Vidakovic also received Blockchain Personality of the Year 2022. He's a lecturer, not just a lecturer, a blockchain developer who is teaching in most prestigious universities, teaching blockchain-based courses, helping the entire world through education on TV stations, radio stations, YouTube channel, trying to open up our eyes to understand and see the massive opportunity that has come with blockchain technology so we can all tap in. That is exactly what we are doing for you tonight, sharing this with you. It is also a project that is featured in Forbes magazine. You can see it right here. So that is it. Early 2023, something great took place, giving 3 powerful awards. The first one went to our first project by name Mosaic Alpha Platform, is the copy trade that feeling DeFi platform of the year 2023. Mr. Attila received another one, being the pioneer of Decentralized World Award, whilst Peter Mona received Blockchain Architect of the Year 2023. This award ceremony took place in London, guys. You can verify it yourself and ascertain the facts for yourself before any meaningful action is taken. The sixth one is Crypto Expo Europe Award, an international conference where there were a lot of giants, including Kraken, Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, Polkadot, Avalanche, Cardano, name all of them. Attila Vidakovic, our CEO, was featured on that platform to speak about what the Mosaic Galaxy movement is all about and the problems we are solving and the little achievement we have made so far. Guess what? At the end of the day, we were able to win the best emerging decentralized solution category of this fantastic award. So this is truly a leveler. Guys, if you are not here, I don't know where you have been. This is the place to be at this point in time, and you will never regret it. The first project I came across where every single person that joins makes money. No one loses money right here. So this is a good place for all of us to be. What is blockchain? In a simple term, a blockchain is a collaboratively maintained Excel file that no one can modify without the consent of the majority of participants. Each blockchain as we speak is a separate island, and bridges are needed to enable them communicate. Not just any bridge this time around. We're looking for a truly decentralized and robust bridge to make that happen. So what is so unique about Mosaic Chain? Very historical, is the kind of problem that it is solving. It is well crafted to solve a multi-billion-dollar problem in the market space, which all the existing legitimate blockchains are facing and are not able to overcome. Mosaic chain was crafted to be the solution provider to that problem for all the existing blockchains. To be able to accomplish that, we need a decentralized bridge, which we do not have. That gave room for Mosaic Highway Space to become the world's #1 truly decentralized bridge network in the whole world, with 30 developers working on it. 3,000 relayers intended to launch with in May. With this in place, Mosaic Chain is currently connecting Solana, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, along with Polkadot to start the history. The second phase is going to capture Polygon, Tron, and Sue until we are able to bring all of them into this historical communication space. So that is exactly what is happening. That is why we normally tell you Mosaic Chain is not just additional chain. So the question is, do we have a demand for these crossing bridges as far as the current market situation is concerned? Guys, the answer is absolutely yes. We have a strong global demand that is valued at $1.43 billion in 2024, with 27% annual growth expected to hit $10 billion by the time we reach 2023. Another reason why this is so needed is security problems. Over 40% of crypto thefts are related to bridges, with $2.8 billion in losses. The recent one happened in June last year with First Bridge. When it happened, additional $3.7 million has gone down the drain. So the problem is there. Even though we have overcrowded market with more than 20 bridges, none of these bridges is truly decentralized and has arbitrage-oriented solutions to offer. Mosaic Highway comes not only to provide a decentralized bridge, but also to come with the innovation that provide arbitrage-oriented solution to help you and I to make it bigger and faster in this space. So enter into Polkadot ecosystem, and you will be able to see the competing bridges along with the blockchains. The top 9 listed right here for you. You can see the type of connection with which they work. Their status, they are not truly decentralized simply because the nodes with which they operate is not up to the number that is required for bridge to be decentralized. And it is not scattered all over the place to actually be truly decentralized. You can even have 1 million, nodes. But if they are located in only one geographical location, it's still not decentralized. Anybody, anywhere can tamper with them and do whatever they want to do. But if they are properly decentralized all over the place, scattered from different nation to another continent to so and so, that is the decentralization we are talking about. And that is why Mosaic chain is the only number one truly decentralized blockchain network in the space, because it has all the validators scattered all over the world, on every continent, almost in every nation. We're trying to have a validator there. Even in the remote areas where we have electricity and internet, we have what? Validator machines operating there. That is the decentralization we're talking about. So Mosaic Highway comes to provide 6,000 nodes, making it the first decentralized. And you can understand that our decentralization we are driving is the kind of security you need to protect your assets. We have a roadmap very clear from last year all the way to this year, December. One area is so important, that is May, where the mainnet is going to launch with at least 3,000 relayers, as I mentioned earlier. As we speak, we have already crossed 1,000 relayers. We are heading towards 2,000. So yes, we are on course, moving in the right direction with no fears. So at that same May, when the mainnet launch takes place, every investor, everyone who buys a package in this space, in this project, will start to enjoy their passive income, lifetime passive income from May. June, they will withdraw. July, they will withdraw. They will continue to withdraw until they are no more and they can leave it for their children. So, guys, that is what is happening. And we are super excited to be part of this history. So, we are changing the blockchain history by building this fantastic stuff. We are not just adding a feature, we are rewriting the rules of cross-chain interoperability. Every information gathered about this and given to ChatGPT, this is what it has to say. This is a revolution in how assets and messages travel between chains. So, three powerful questions needed for proper crypto project evaluation. Number one, who is behind the project? Is the project a centralized system or decentralized? You need to know. Is it an open source project, or is something that is done behind the scene, and whatever information you are told, you just have to swallow it just like that? You need to find out what is happening. So, is it an open source project? Exactly so. All the projects that we're building, beginning from Mosaic Alpha all the way to Mosaic Highway, they are all open source projects. Every information you are told, you can check them out and ascertain the facts for yourself. Who are behind? Two powerful, well-renowned blockchain developers with BlockSQL software solution in the technical lead and also as a service provider, backed by Creative City Group, which is KFT, the Novalos Prime, a reseller, bringing this to all of us who are looking for an opportunity such as this to turn things around. Who is BlockSQL? Their services include software development, IT outsourcing, and blockchain consulting. They've been in existence since 2018 and have done tremendous works already in Web3 space for companies such as Tisbase, Flare, Atalascan, Cardano Base, Filecoin, just to name a few. They have over 100 experts working in that organization and have grown to 1,152% globally ranked currently at the ninth position on Deloitte Central European Fast 50 list. Under the leadership of their CEO, Nenad Tanaskovic, he is a highly respected figure in the European blockchain and fintech space, combining over 3 decades of international experience in software and engineering, IT leadership, and decentralized systems. Not forgetting a very prominent and important personality by name Robert Pasik. He is the co-founder, the engineer, and the initiator of this fantastic project. He's a sales strategist and fundraising expert. He's one of the driving forces behind the Mosaic Galaxy and Highway ecosystems, combining over 30 years of experience in marketing, communication, and leadership with deep technical knowledge in programming that dates back to 1983. We have Ales Dimitrijevic, who is also head of growth partnership with 7 years in the Web3 industry. The last 3 dedicated to elevating the Polkadot ecosystem. That is Web3 Foundation and Parity. These are the caliber of people we are talking about, guys. We have Andreja Markovic, who is a seasoned blockchain specialist and technical product manager with extensive experience in decentralized technology. He has held several key roles at Bloxico, a prominent blockchain and fintech company who is developing or technical leader in the development of this Mosaic highway, where he served as product owner and blockchain specialist. Theodor Todorovic is a blockchain architect, a very fantastic blockchain developer with a very strong background in decentralized systems and smart contract architecture. So when we talk about smart contract, it's a technology that is a win-win technology for everybody. You will never be cheated. Nobody will take your money. Nobody has the audacity to touch it, let alone to run away with it. So these are the kind of robust system that we are building to help you and your families to enjoy life, not losing your money to anybody. These are the caliber of people who are spearheading the project with additional team of 30 people I mentioned earlier, working full-time on this for you and I. That is why we are so sure of delivering everything either in time or on time. At this point, we just have to move beyond this due diligent point of view and go deeper to see how we can make money really from the space. Mr. Drano is the one who is going to show you how to make money, how to join, what to do, and be able to make money. So, Mr. Drano, please, the microphone is yours. Thank you so much for your time and your great patience.
Thank you, Isaac. Guys, put some fire in the chat, please, for Isaac. I think he done a great job. So, most important question is, how can you participate? How can you benefit from it? Is by simply buying one of our highway packages. If you buy one of our highway packages, you're securing your early access to a project that builds essential market infrastructure. Basically, it's like buying a ticket to a startup with massive, massive future potential. The lifetime passive income will start in May once the Mosaic Highway network is fully operational. And every time it generates profit from cross-chain arbitrage, a portion of that profit is automatically shared with all the package holders. So your contribution gets rewarded 24/7, even when you are asleep. This will be generating your passive income, regular cash flow, predictable and continuous monthly income. You will have more time freedom. You're no longer trading the time for money, but instead, money works for you. You will have more quality time with your loved ones, and including longer vacations, personal freedom, time to pursue meaningful goals and aspiration, better health and well-being. And finally, you will be designing your own lifestyle, your dream lifestyle. But if you want to earn before May, then go out there, share the opportunity. When you're inviting friends and contacts to join this project, you will be receiving Mosaic Highway rewards for each successful referral. And together we can build a stronger network, and you'll be earning more by using your influence. Now, the big question is it accessible to everyone? Absolutely. As long as you're 18 and above, you don't need to be a tech expert, and the platform is designed to be user-friendly, easy to navigate. The team will be handling all the complex process in the background, while you simply tracking your growing daily rewards through a transparent dashboard. Here are the software packages from 100 USDT to 25,000. Please pay attention. The 5,000 Noma node, the 10,000 Anchor node, and the 25,000 Vanguard node are the best packages. But if you buy any of those packages, you have responsibility, meaning you need a hardware. You will need a machine. This machine has to be on 24/7, so you need constant electricity and constant internet. With the smaller packages from 100 to 1,500, you don't have that responsibility, but you'll be always generating lifetime passive income, even with those smaller packages. How does it work? Each package comes with its own digital certificate. You can see in the second column, the $100 has 1,500 digital certificate. The 25,000 has 500,000. Also, you can see that the smaller package from $100 to 1,500 receives 1% to 15%, depending on the package you're holding. You're receiving this percentage of whatever a 10,000 Anchor node makes per month. If the 10,000 Anchor node makes $4,000 and you have a getaway of 1,500, you get 15% of $4,000. This is $600. As you have no responsibility, you will be paying 10% from your profit for the management of the 10,000 anchor note to the note holders. So basically, your digital certificate will be put in someone's anchor note, and you're paying that 10%. Very important is also when you are buying those packages while you're receiving daily growth of digital certificate. So for example, if you're buying today a getaway, you know you will have instant 22,500 digital certificate. And then tomorrow you're receiving 25 more. Every single day you receive 25 till end of April. Till end of April. So the earlier you bought those packages, the more digital certificate you will be holding. While it's not fair if somebody buys a package in April and he will be making the same amount of money like you who bought this package today or even 2-3 months ago. You have also earning rights with each package. This is a special promotion we have right now. You can still take advantage. It will expire tomorrow. Is by buying one package, you get a smaller one for free. You can see here, if you're buying a $250, you get the $100 for free. If you buy a $750, you get the $250 for free. If you buy the $1,500, you get the $750, and so forth. You can see the packages there, and you get the smaller one for free. Then we have this brand new promotion where you're getting basically 30% discount of the value of the package. And it works this way. This is already on, but after Tuesday, the other promotion will be finished, so you can take advantage of this one. Basically, how it works, you need to freeze for 2 years 10% of the value of your package. That will go into liquidity. You can see in the second column with each package, if you're buying $100, you need to freeze 10 USDT, 10% of $100. If you're buying the $5,000 package, you need to freeze $500 for 2 years. You will get that back after 2 years with profit, obviously. And then you can see the amount that you're paying in the third column for each package. The $100, you're paying $70. And the 25,000, you pay 17,500. Plus the 2,500 that you have frozen for 2 years is a total of 20,000. But remember, the $2,500 you get them back with well, not interest, but with profit from the liquidity pool token. I hope everybody understands this. Yeah. So now you have also earning rights, meaning if you share the opportunity, you qualify for 15% direct commission, not of the value of the package, but of 60% of the package value. You can see it in the second column, the commissionable value with each package. So if you're selling a 5,000 note, you get 15% of $3,000, not 5,000. If you want that 5% indirect on your second level, then you need to start with minimum 250 package upwards. If you started with 100, you're missing out on that 5%. Binary bonus is paid out every Monday midnight. You're going to get paid 10% from the weakest leg. But to qualify for that, you need somebody actively referred to your left side, somebody actively referred to your right side. Actively means they need to purchase a package. Then you can earn from $500 per week, even up to $25,000, depending on the package you're holding. But this is just the maximum cap that you can earn per week. And to earn that money, you need to work with your team and generate sales volume. Infinity bonus starts from 1% with $5,000, and the matching bonus of 10% on your first level starts from $1,500 upwards. You have in total 7 extra income streams if you share the opportunity. Very special is also the passive income, the trader bonus. But to participate on this one, you need to start actually with $750 package. Then the matching bonus is 7 levels deep. I just mentioned the first level, but it depends on your career rank to unlock those other levels. We have a diamond pool where if you reach the rank of a diamond, you're going to receive 3% shares of the last 6 months turnover volume. We have also a fantastic car program where you can earn cars from $30,000 to $120,000 with your sales volume. if you want to know exactly the sales volume that is required for 6 months, you can go in your web office, go under help support and check for the PDF of car program. You can earn packages every 30 days. Yes, every 30 days with your sales volume, you can earn free packages. This is probably the opportunity you have always dreamt of, even if you have started to lose hope. This is a disclaimer. We are not financial advisors. Figures, projections, and income are estimates only for illustrative and educational purpose and do not constitute guarantee or assurance of actual results, while any financial performance are based on detailed analysis of the market potential and was prepared back in August with paid ChatGPT 5.0 version. So it should not be interpreted as a typical guaranteed or expected outcome, while the actual results might vary to market condition, software performance, and other external factors that are beyond our control. But if this is true, what ChatGPT estimates to be accurate, then we can all make a presumption of this participation in this startup. Next slide, please. Next one. So here are the packages with the monthly earnings. Depending on the package you have bought, you can see from $40 to $10,000 a month lifetime passive income. So become a relayer or become a relayer in 3 paths, but always one destiny. You can buy it if you recognize a breakthrough. You can buy your license, your notes. You can build it, meaning until May, you can buy multiple packages, and then you will be able, end of April, to merge those all together, even to a 5,000 note, 10,000 or 25,000. And the best part is you can earn those packages by sharing the opportunity and generating sales volume that will unlock those free relayer packages. Here are the required sales volume that is needed to unlock those packages. If you're happy with $100, you only need $400 sales volume. You can even do it yourself by selling 4 packages of $100. In fact, any 4 packages of the same value you're selling, you get one for free. But the idea is to leverage this with your team and generate this sales volume in 30 days with your colleagues in your network. There is only one limitation. There's a 50% rule, meaning to reach your target, not more than 50% can come from your strongest referral, and the remaining 50% has to come from the others. This is an example. If your goal is to earn in 30 days that $1,500 package, you need $6,000 sales volume, meaning that from your strongest referral, half of that is $3,000 can come from that strong referral, and the rest has to come from the others. Choose your path to success. If you have capital but no time, become an investor. Go ahead, buy your notes. Do you have energy but no money? Best solution for you is to become a network builder. Or if you merge those two together, then you're using both and you're maximizing on your rewards. So you can start with nothing, but still end up with everything that matters. While this model restores the balance, having the money is no longer the advantage, but having a vision and work ethic is. Be a pioneer of next-gen blockchain infrastructure. The company is building Web3. You build the community. You guys build the community. You will be earning rewards for every new package sold in your organization, even down to unlimited debt. So it's not about luck. It's all about recognizing the opportunity in front of you. And most important is you take action. Get back to the person that shared this business with you. Register yourself and take action. So thank you for your attention.